Hi guys, in this video I want to introduce you to the main system that I use for trading, which gives me the most consistent profits and reliability. The indicator or system that I use is called Ichimoku. The full title of it is called the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, and Ichimoku was invented by the Japanese and is basically a whole bunch of moving averages and signal potential trading points. Because the Ichimoku system is a very visual indicator, we can quickly see opportunities at a glance. Ichimoku can be used in any market and on any time frame, although above a 15-minute time frame is more reliable. It basically consists of 5 elements, and these 5 elements consist of the following. First of all, we have the Chiku span, which is the closing price printed 26 days or periods in the past. Then we have the Tenkan-sen, which is the midpoint of the high and low during the last 9 periods, and the Kijun-sen, which is the midpoint of the high and low during the last 26 periods. Then we have Senko span A, which is the midpoint of Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen added together, printed 26 periods in the future. And Senko span B, which is the midpoint of the high and low of the last 52 periods, printed 26 periods in the future. Now let's have a look at the Ichimoku trading signals. We have the Chiku crossing through price, the Tenkan-sen bounce and break, the Kijun-sen bounce and break, the Kumo cloud bounce and break, and the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen cross. This is what Ichimoku looks like on a chart. This complete charting indicator forms a very powerful and useful aid in our trading, and to be used to its full potential, all these elements need to be used and studied in conjunction with each other. As you can see, if you've never come across this system before, it can be very intimidating and complex. If you're interested in learning about this complete system, or are just simply struggling with your own trading, you can sign up for my complete Ichimoku trading strategies course. In this course I cover the Ichimoku system from beginner to advanced in fine detail and talk about how I trade profitably consistently for the last 20 years using Ichimoku as my main indicator. I also talk about money management, price action, when to trade, when not to trade, and my preferred Forex pairs for trading. I also cover support and resistance, divergence, moving averages, along with profit targets, stops, and even the psychology of trading. So if you'd like to learn more about this Ichimoku system and sign up for the course, which is over 6.5 hours long and split into various sections for you to learn at your own pace and accessible at any time at a later date to refresh your knowledge if required. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the course soon. Take care and good luck in your trading.